Hi, I'm Lori for Canon USA, and today I'll show you how to make this personalized 8x10 framed gift for Father's Day. Here are the 5 steps that you'll need to take. Step 1. Pick a topic. I asked the kids what they like to do with their dad. They both said biking, so I suggested that as a topic. I asked them to think about a specific event, and they both said when they learned to ride a two-wheeler. I asked them to think about how it makes them feel and write down some specifics. They'll use these in Step 2. Step 2. Draw and write. Since there are 2 of them, I thought the best thing was to have one draw and one write. I had her draw her figures but leave the background alone so I could remove it later on the computer. Don't forget about color. And here is her finished piece. She said she's the girl in pink. I had my other daughter write her story on the template, which has space for a 4x6-inch picture and lines for writing. I asked her to use the sheet they wrote on earlier for inspiration.
Sister feel happy.
I think her story ended up being really sweet, and I know their dad will love this.
Dada is the best dada ever.
Step 3. Find a background. We headed out with the drawing and my EOS RP to find a place that would fit as a background. It was a nice day, so we rode our bikes, which I learned is all they want to do now. When the girls found something they liked, I took a picture of it for later. Step 4. Scanning and a little digital magic. I wirelessly scanned in the hand-drawn picture into my Canon Maxify multifunction printer and changed the settings to save it as a high-quality 600 dpi TIFF file. I opened our background picture and my daughter's drawings in my favorite image editing software to remove all the empty space, but I was careful to leave all the little details she drew. Finally, I saved it as a high-quality JPEG image. Step 5. Print, paste, and frame. You've made it to the home stretch. Simply print your image out on 4x6 photo paper. Don't forget to print it as a borderless print. I decided to print on my Pixma printer for that very reason. Next, add a little glue and paste the picture to the 4x6 outline above the story. Put it in your frame, and you're done. Don't forget to download the written instructions as well as the line template in the description below. See you next time!